Imagine walking into a room and seeing a woman sitting silently in the dark. Her skin looks real. Her eyes follow your movement. Her body feels warm like a living human. But here's the terrifying truth. She isn't human at all. Today we are entering one of China's most mysterious factories, where engineers and artists create ultra-realistic silicone humans. Some people buy them to fight loneliness. Others treat them like real wives. And the scariest part, they are becoming more human every single year. Deep inside Dongguan, China, there are factories building hyper-realistic silicone dolls that look almost identical to real humans. Everything starts with a customer photo. Using advanced 3D modeling software and AI technology, designers create a digital human model. Customers can choose the face, body shape, height, eye color, and even personality style. Some people even request dolls inspired by fictional anime characters or lost loved ones. Once the design is approved, the factory begins creating the skeleton.
Just like humans need bones, these dolls also require a strong inner body. Inside each doll is a stainless steel skeleton. This metal frame allows the doll to stand, sit, bend, and move naturally. Special foam materials are added around the skeleton. This reduces weight and creates a soft muscle-like feeling when touched. But the most shocking feature is the fingers. Every finger joint can move independently. You can bend them naturally or even make the doll hold objects like a real person. The engineering is so detailed that many people feel uncomfortable looking at them closely. Part 4. Creating artificial human skin. Now comes the science fiction part. The metal skeleton is placed inside a giant mold. Then, factories inject liquid platinum silicone into the body using large industrial tubes. Pressure is carefully controlled so the silicone spreads evenly across every body part. Some advanced models even contain voice chips, heating systems, and AI response technology. This allows the doll to speak simple phrases and maintain human-like body warmth. The silicone body is then left overnight to harden. The next morning, workers open the mold, revealing a lifelike artificial human.
But the real magic begins after the body is finished. Artists now start the skin simulation process. Using special pigments and airbrush tools, they paint tiny veins, skin tones, and facial textures by hand. Blue veins, red capillaries, skin shadows, everything is carefully recreated to imitate real human skin. The makeup is then heat-treated inside industrial ovens. This permanently bonds the color into the silicone surface. Then comes the eyes. Once realistic glass eyes are inserted, many people say the dolls suddenly feel disturbingly alive. The hardest and most time-consuming process is the hair. Instead of using glue, workers implant every eyebrow and eyelash manually using ultra-thin needles. Each strand is inserted one by one. This process can take several days. For the head hair, special machines implant thousands of hair strands in perfect rows. Finally, hairstylists cut and style the doll, giving it its final personality. At this stage, the doll no longer looks like a machine. It looks human. Today, the biggest markets for silicone dolls are China, Japan, and the United States.
In Japan, many people call them love dolls. Some buyers say these dolls help reduce loneliness. Others use them for photography, art, or companionship. But experts warn about a darker side. Some people become emotionally attached to artificial humans, slowly distancing themselves from real human relationships. Psychologists fear this technology could change how humans experience love, emotion, and social connection forever. Technology is evolving faster than ever before. What once looked like science fiction is now becoming reality. Artificial humans are no longer just machines. They are becoming emotional companions for millions of people. But here's the real question. Is this silicone revolution helping humanity or slowly replacing real human connection? Would you ever live with an artificial human? Comment your opinion below and subscribe to Tech Inside for more strange technology stories from around the world.
For many people, these dolls are not just objects. They become emotional companions. Some owners give them names, buy clothes for them, celebrate birthdays, and even speak to them every single day. In recent years, psychologists discovered something surprising. The human brain can slowly develop emotional attachment to artificial faces and voices. This is called emotional projection. The more realistic something looks, the more our brain starts treating it like a real human being. And this creates a dangerous question. If artificial humans become emotionally satisfying, will some people stop building real relationships altogether? Experts fear future generations may choose artificial companionship over real human connection. Today's silicone dolls are already realistic, but future versions may become truly intelligent. Some companies are now experimenting with AI conversation systems, facial tracking, emotion recognition, and memory-based responses. Imagine walking into your home and your artificial companion says, "Welcome back, you look tired today." The doll remembers your habits, your favorite food, your mood, even your daily routine. This technology is becoming possible because of artificial intelligence. In the future, these dolls may no longer stay silent. They may become fully interactive artificial partners. And that possibility is both exciting and terrifying. And subscribe to Tech Inside for more strange technology stories from around the world.
The silicone human industry is now worth billions of dollars worldwide. Factories in China produce thousands of dolls every year. Some premium models cost more than luxury cars. High-end custom dolls can cost $5,000, $10,000, or even over $20,000. Customers pay extra for custom voices, body temperature systems, realistic skin textures, and AI features. Some companies even offer celebrity-inspired faces. The demand continues growing rapidly, especially in countries with rising loneliness and declining marriage rates. For many businesses, artificial humans are no longer science fiction. They are the future market. Scientists believe we are entering a completely new era, a future where humans may build emotional relationships with machines. Movies once warned us about this possibility, but now it's slowly becoming reality. Some researchers believe artificial companions could help lonely people. Others fear they could damage society by reducing real human interaction. Because unlike real humans, artificial partners never argue, never leave, never betray. And that creates a dangerous emotional illusion. If machines become emotionally perfect, will real relationships start feeling more difficult? Artificial humans are no longer coming in the future, they are already here. The line between machine and human is becoming thinner every year, and maybe one day you won't even be able to tell the difference anymore. Would you trust an artificial human, or is this technology going too far? Comment below.